Foundation System led by the Honorable MIJP Hevitix IAS CIICL. He was Chief Commissioner of Central Province, and these are the names of the Jamidars and the intellectuals and the Rai Sahebs who have contributed money. You see their names and how much they have contributed there at that time. And with their contribution, this has been started at that time. These are the persons they have contributed for the constructions of the hall. You see how much they have contributed. Their name already been mentioned here and the amount they have donated for this hall. This is the front gate of Victoria Hall, and you see the right in my left side, and this is the right side. It is in the town halls, and let I show you the all corners of this hall. This is one of monuments of this area, and district administration many times used this hall for various purposes, and at last decided to renovate this, and the renovation work is continuing. Let I show you to another part. This is the hall you see. This is one type of architects of the Britishers. You see, this is in the town hall, and let I take you to other part of the hall. This is really very beautiful, and it is an important monument here. I will taking you to back side of the Victoria Hall. You see, but government of Odisha has decided to develop this hall and renovated this one. This is in the name of Victoria, Queen Victoria, and this is the back side. This is very dynamic structures, and now government has decided to develop this hall and use for public library and other purpose. And this is a hall. It is situated in town hall area, and just behind to the Arvinda school. You see how dynamic work has been done. The architect is very nice, in British type architect you see, and this is just in front of Sambalpur Municipal Corporations, and earlier it was district library, and previously during the time of British regime it was district hall. Let I take you to another part. This is the back side, back right side of the hall. So nice architect you see, and this is in the middle of town hall. You see, it is under now renovations, and very dynamic way it will be developed. Many times district administration develop these buildings to prevent from damages, and these times district administrations decided to develop this hall in marvelous way, so that renovation work is going on. You see, now I am taking you to front side. You see how the renovation work is going on. But thing is that this hall should be given a different meaning, as it is one of the best building of that time, and district hall during the time of the central province. So we urge the tourism department, Department of Culture, and district administrations for the time-bound period development of this hall and give a new look to this hall. If this hall will be properly been cared and maintained, this will be a tourist attraction center, and the district administration and Department of Culture and Tourism as well as our municipal corporations and Western Odisha Development WODC should take cognizance of this and provide funds to give a new shape, new look and a better purpose for the use and utilizations of this particular hall, so that the tourist will be attracted, and this hall also gives some earning to the department. So also it will be a recreation centers and center of study, library and many more. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.